Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best macrame wall hangings in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 5. Boho Macrame Plant Hangers, Set of 4, Indoor Hanging Planter Basket, Wall Decorative Flower Pot Holder, with 4 hooks for Indoor-Outdoor Home Decor Gift Box, Ivory. Stylish and unique, the modern, vintage-inspired plant hanger adds the perfect touch to your room and living room. This beauty would be gracing your home or balcony garden, or brightening up an office. Easily add some special to your beautiful bohemian home decor, sweet farmhouse decor, or modern minimalist style. Distinctive craft. Handmade by our talented artisans, this plant holder is made of cotton cord. Macrame hanging plant stand has a strong, flexible woven design that can accommodate various shapes and sizes of planters, APOTS not included. Easy installation. The hangers are suitable for indoor and outdoor use. Just expand the 4 leg strings, put the plant pot in the middle of the conjunction. It can be hung from a hook against a wall like a wall hanging. Hanging plant holder can be used for living room, kitchen, hall, and patio. Number 4. ASKBC Macrame Wall Hanging Nature Cotton, Boho Macrame Tapestry Wall Decor, Woven Yarn Tassel Tapestry Wall Art, Handmade Bohemian Home Decor, Banner-Shaped Geometric Decor, 43.3 * 26.4 brown. Macrame design. Each Macrame wall hanging banner is tightly woven and knotted by craftsmen, constructed well and sturdy. Multicolored tassel and flower-type weaving design, well made and created details aesthetic of rustic craftsmanship. Premium material. The large Macrame wall hanging is made of natural cotton rope, odorless and free of any dirt. The wood dowel are strictly quality controlled and easy to put together. The tassel rope very thick and nice texture, and will not be tangled or messy. Versatile. A good Macrame hanging wall decor can instantly create a space full of literary and artistic sense. Boho Macrame wall hanging paired with a blank wall of light color is now a more popular Nordic style, which is very versatile. It will give you an unexpected home decor surprise. Number 3. Boho Macrame Woven Wall Hanging Wall Decor Boho Home Chic Bohemian Geometric Art Decor Beautiful Apartment Bedroom Dorm Room Decoration with Light. High-quality cotton thread is hand-woven by a master with many years of experience, safe, environmentally friendly, and odorless. They are naturally beautiful and safe. Without the funny smells, the grain is clear, the structure is compact and orderly. Perfect wall decoration. We are equipped with LED string lights. Not only can you see its beauty during the day, but it will be more beautiful and warm at night. Suitable for any place, homestay, living room, room. This vintage meets modern Macrame wall hanging tapestry was inspired by tribal art objects and boho chic decor, which create a minimalist and relaxed feel and add a touch of elegance and beauty to your home. Great gift. If you have friends who are decorating the room, this is a good choice. Bohemian decoration is simple and exquisite, and it is a room decoration that every girl will like. Number 2. CBK King Macrame Wall Hanging Large Round Hand-Woven Tapestry, suitable for boho living room, bedroom wall decoration. Dark green 23.6 in. Handmade. The 4 mm natural cotton thread used for the large Macrame wall hanging is hand-knotted and woven. Each piece is made of environmentally friendly dyes. The dyeing part is gradually changed from light to dark. The wavy lines are inlaid with natural stone beads to make the floating appearance more ornamental. A great way to add boho style to your home. Size and installation. Macrame woven wall hanging is 23.6 in diameter, with 2 iron nails for hanging. Each handmade wall hanging will have nuances, so it is unique. I believe it can make your white wall no longer monotonous. Scene. Round Macrame wall hanging is suitable for hanging in living room, apartment, kids' room, bedroom, hallway, cafe, or anywhere you want to bring some texture, and make your wall more attractive. Number 1. Boho Large Macrame Wall Hanging. Boho Tapestry Macrame Wall Decor Art. Chic bohemian handmade, woven tapestry home decoration for bedroom, living room, apartment, wedding party. 43x32. Wood bead. Premium quality macrame. Unique boho room decor. This meticulously knitted wall hanging macrame with beautiful weaving pattern is made of natural rope, which knotted on the wooden dowel and features fringe accents. Large woven tapestry. 43W×32H. From top to the ends of longest fringe. This macrame wall hanging is great for a bedroom, living area, workspace, or anywhere where you like to bring some texture and interest to your walls. Wide range of applications. Its symmetrical design is suitable for any interior decoration. This macrame headboard is the perfect statement piece to hang on the head of a bed or crib, sofa, mantelpiece, or desk.